Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Tres Hermanas Hermosas. Beautiful women.
Viva Las Vegas! So this is a Waylon Jennings song I've been trying to convince Nuriya to do with me for at least a year. And she finally said yes.
Heck yeah.
And we're so lucky to share this. It's called One Voice. This is the sound of one voice, one spirit, one voice, the sound of one who makes a choice. This is the sound of one voice. This is the sound of voices too. Sound of